Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion and Eat. Special series is going on, and today I'm going to share with you homemade ice cream recipe, that too without any ice cream machine or anything. It's the most easiest way to make homemade ice cream, and we're going to make butterscotch ice cream, guys. So first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update or any interesting recipe that I'm going to upload. So let's jump into the recipe and make butterscotch ice cream. So first we are going to make the praline. Praline means the little butterscotch crunchies that you get from the store-bought one. So for that, here I have taken 4 tablespoons of sugar, and I am going to melt the sugar over very low flame and make caramel of the sugar. I am using powdered sugar, but you can use granulated sugar. I am using powdered sugar because I find it easier to melt the sugar. See, it's already started to melt. Just a little bit and let it rest, and it will melt it yourself. While you are making caramelize the sugar, be careful because caramels are very hot. You can burn yourself, so you don't want that. Be careful. See, within no time, like within a minute or so, it has melted nicely and it got some golden brown amber color. So stir it in so that all the granules also get melted. See, our caramel is ready. Now we're going to make it butterscotch crunch. For that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter that was in room temperature. Make sure you use room temperature butter, otherwise if you use cold butter, then the cold butter will set the caramel. You don't want that. Now I'm going to add some chopped nuts. Here I'm using almonds and cashew. You can use as much nuts as you want, and whatever types of nuts you want, it's up to you. Now mix it, and our praline is done. Now all you need to do is set it. For setting it on a grease plate, I'm going to spray the caramel or praline. I have greased the plate with some oil. Now spread it and let it cool completely, and it will harden and get set. Meanwhile, we are going to make the base of the ice cream. For that, I'm using 1 packet of AMUL fresh cream, and I'm going to place the bowl on some ice. It's called the ice bath, and then I'm going to whisk the cream using electronic whisk, and I'm going to whisk the cream over very low speed, and I'm going to beat the cream for like 5 minutes. But if you don't have this electric whisk, you can use normal handheld whisk, but you need to whisk the cream for 10 to 15 minutes then. So within 5 minutes of whisking, it's done. And ice bath is very important because otherwise you will not get this nice consistency of the cream. Now into that, I'm going to add condensed milk, half a cup of condensed milk, or 200 ml or half a can of the condensed milk. This is the basic base. Using this same base, you can make different flavors of ice cream, mango ice cream or chocolate ice cream, blackberry ice cream, any kind of ice cream you can make using the same base. Now for making or giving the same butterscotch flavor, I'm using half a teaspoon of butterscotch essence. If you don't have butterscotch essence, you can use vanilla essence, and mix everything or whisk everything together again. So it's done. You can use food color if you want to get the same yellow color, but I don't like to use food color. Now that's ready. Keep it into the fridge, and I'm going to prepare the praline. It's set, as you can see. I'm going to break it down into small pieces like the crunches. So all the butterscotch crunches are ready, and our cream is out of the fridge, which I have kept the cream into the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add some praline into that. You can use as much praline as you want and mix it. Now pour it into a container in which you are going to set your ice cream. Doesn't it look yummy already? It tastes delicious, trust me. Now I'm going to add some more praline on top, or butterscotch crunchies on top. I'm going to cover it and I'm going to put it into the refrigerator or deep freezer for 8 hours or overnight. Now it's moment of truth. See, our butterscotch ice cream is ready and looks delicious. I'm going to scoop out some of it and show you. For scooping out, I'm going to take my scooper and put it into the hot water and then scoop out the ice cream like this. Make sure the ice cream is a little bit softer, so that's why you need to keep it outside the deep freezer for 5 minutes and you will get this nice butterscotch ice cream. Doesn't it look delicious? Make this recipe in this Ramzan and beat the summer heat, and trust me, your family is going to love it, and friends are going to ask how you make this awesome tasting butterscotch ice cream at home. And let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends, and comment on the comment section below. Thank you guys.